On the left-hand side, go to Apps, search for CanSign, and click on the CanSign app. This allows you to draw your own signature and add it to the document or design that you have. So I can start to draw my signature here. If I don't like it, I can undo it, clear the whole thing, and draw it again until I like the result. I can also adjust the color here, and it can also adjust the weighting of the signature. So this is using my mouse to draw the signature. And so once I'm satisfied, I can click Add to Design. So now my signature is in the design, and I can adjust it, move it to the correct position. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and have a great day.